Hey guys, thank you for selecting yourrealestate101.com. If you have not yet subscribed, do it now. This way you get these videos as soon as they come out of the oven. So don't forget to click on the like button and turn on notification. In this video, I will share with you my top 5 ways to get started today with little to no money. This video is best for people with no money or little money. And for my seasoned guys, this could be a great video just to get you motivated and get you back in the game. Okay, number 1, go to the bank. Going to the bank might seem straightforward, but it is important for you to find out what kind of loan you qualify for. Many times we don't do this simple step that can change our lives. Even if you don't qualify, they might tell you you need a cosigner. This step is important because knowing is key to success. There might be a great no money down loan waiting for you or a nice first time home buyer special. Don't be scared. Find out what your status is. It will not hurt to just ask. Now, number 2, go to the nearest city, find out if they have an urban renewal or a program that is selling houses to the public. Sometimes these houses can be extremely cheap. At times they offer these homes for $1. Yes, I said it, $1. The idea is they want to get houses back on the tax roll, but also they want to revitalize the low-income neighborhoods. Sometimes the homes are not in the greatest neighborhood or they need work. You fill out an application and put a bid or an amount down that you think it will cost for you to fix it. You do have to show proof that you can fix it. It could be in a matter of cash, credit card, etc. A big tip is wait for the last day before the bid closes. Be very, very nice to the person at the desk and ask if there are any properties that did not receive any bids. Then bid the lowest possible number on that. With these programs, they will let you inspect the properties before you place your bid. So make sure to check all the properties out. The good news for you is this: they don't actually necessarily pick the highest bidder. In fact, they prefer to give the properties to people who's going to live at the location. Many times these properties are small multi-units, which means you can live in one and rent out the others. Okay, number 3, find a partner. Teaming up with a partner can be one of the greatest ways to start with less risk. Some people will be very comfortable funding the purchase if you do the managing. There are lots of ways to structure this deal. You can go 50-50, 30-70, but the key thing is get it started. Number 4, start managing properties for landlord. I know this might not seem like investing, but this might be the most powerful option on this list. You connect with the owners, you connect with the contractors. Your experience alone will be extremely valuable, not to mention the opportunities. When a landlord wants to sell, you got first dibs and you know exactly the condition of the property. You have the best chance to negotiate. Number 5, tax auction. Different areas will have different rules. So make sure you get the rules in writing and you understand them. But generally, someone doesn't pay their taxes. One of the governments, whether it's the city, the town, the county, comes in, takes the property for back taxes. People go to an auction and bid against each other. Here, the highest bidder wins. You put down a down payment that day and pay the rest, usually a short amount of time, maybe 10 days, 30 days later. This is a great way to buy a house, often at a huge discount. Some things you should know is this: many times you can't see inside the property. The property may have tenants that you may be responsible to evict once you take it over. The property might have certain liens that does not get wiped out, like taxes. And also you have to have cash. I like tax auctions since they will wipe out most of the liens. Now, you can go to your county clerk's office and ask if that particular property has liens. Sometimes this could be very helpful and a good tool. This is still risky, but reward can be great. Regards to the condition of the property, drive by. Walk around the property. You are not legally allowed to go onto the property, especially if there are people living there. But there are many tricks you can do to get you close to knowing what's going on. Talking to neighbors if it is empty, look through the windows, even checking the last time people had utility services. Although this can tell you a lot about the property, but of course there's no guarantee. Regards to bidding, well, what I recommend you do is this. Wait for all the property and bid on the property that no one bids on, and then bid the lowest possible bid. You will be amazed to know that sometimes properties can even go for a couple $100. Okay guys, there you have it. My top 5 ways to get started with little to no money at all. If you look at my list here, you will notice there is either a lot of efforts being done or a lot of risk. But the less you have, the more you have to risk. The harder you have to work to get to the top. But you can do it one step at a time. Don't let people get in your head. Stay focused. Surround yourself with like-minded people and keep pushing. You got this. I would love to know if you have any comments or ideas on this. Comment below. Don't forget to turn on notifications, subscribe, share, like, and let's start a conversation.